Hello friends. Today we are going to practice your reading comprehension. Are you ready? Let's begin. I am Max. I am a dog. I have 4 legs and a long tail. I like to run and play. I like to help my family. Children, we will read that again, then we will answer the questions. I am Max. I am a dog. I have 4 legs and a long tail. I like to run and play. I like to help my family. Let's look at the questions. What is the name of the dog? A. Leo, B. Max, C. Ben. The answer is B. Max. Question number 2. What animal is Max? A. Cat, B. Dog, C. Bird. The answer is B. Dog. Question number 3. How many legs does Max have? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4. The answer is C. 4. Question number 4. What does Max like to do? A. Sleep all day, B. Run and play, C. Fly. The answer is B. Run and play. Question number 5. Who does Max like to help? A. His friends, B. His family, C. His teacher. The answer is B. His family. Very good. Let's go to the next paragraph. I am Lily. I am a bird. I have 2 wings and a small beak. I like to fly in the sky. I like to sing songs. Let's read that again. I am Lily. I am a bird. I have 2 wings and a small beak. I like to fly in the sky. I like to sing songs. Let's look at the questions. What is the bird's name? A. Bella, B. Lily, C. Max. The answer is B. Lily. Question number 2. What animal is Lily? A. Dog, B. Bird, C. Cat. The answer is B. Bird. What does Lily have? A. 2 wings, B. 4 legs, C. a long tail. The answer is 2 wings. Very good. Let's look at question number 4 now. Where does Lily like to fly? A. in water, B. on the ground, C. in the sky. The answer is C. in the sky. Question number 5. What does Lily like to do? A. swim, B. sing songs, C. dig holes. The answer is B. sing songs. Let's look at this paragraph. I am Finn. I am a fish. I have fins and a tail. I like to swim in water. I like to play all day. Let's look at the questions. Question number 1. What is the fish's name? A. Max, B. Finn, C. Lily. The answer is B. Finn. Very good. Let's go to question number 2. What animal is Finn? A. bird, B. dog, C. fish. The answer is C. fish. Question number 3. What does Finn have? A. wings, B. fins and a tail, C. 4 legs. The answer is fins and a tail. Question number 4. Where does Finn like to swim? A. in the sky, B. on land, C. in water. The answer is in water. Question number 5. What does Finn like to do? A. Fly. B. Play all day. C. Dig. The answer is play all day. Let's look at this next paragraph. I am Ellie. I am an elephant. I have a long trunk and big ears. I like to walk slowly. I like to drink water. Now read this again carefully, then I will ask you some questions. I am Ellie. I am an elephant. I have a long trunk and big ears. I like to walk slowly. I like to drink water. Question number 1. What is the elephant's name? A. Lily. B. Ellie. C. Bella. The answer is B. Ellie. Question number 2. What animal is Ellie? The options are A. Cow. B. Elephant. C. Dog. The answer is B. Elephant. Question number 3. What does Ellie have? A long trunk and big ears. B. Wings and a beak. C. Fins and a tail. The answer is a long trunk and big ears. Very good. Question number 4. How does Ellie like to walk? A. Fast. B. Slowly. C. Jump. The answer is B. Slowly. Question number 5. What does Ellie like to do? A. Fly. B. Drink water. C. Climb trees. Answer is B. Drink water. Very good. Good job. Well done, kids. You did a great job today. You can download free printables at my website www.downloadableworksheet.com, and there you can find many reading comprehension passages free to download and do in the class and practice them. I'll share you the link of these comprehension paragraphs where you can download them and print them easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. I'll see you in the next video with the next topic. Till then, take care. Bye.